The ocean is lying to you. What you see on the surface, that's just the mask. Below, in the crushing darkness, there's a world so alien, so hostile, it might as well be another planet. Here's the truth they don't want you to know. We've explored less than 5% of our own oceans. 95% is pure mystery. And what we have found? It defies logic. Underwater waterfalls that suck down entire ecosystems, toxic lakes that kill on contact, whale corpses crawling with creatures from nightmares, and sounds from things that shouldn't exist. This isn't a horror movie, this is real, and by the end of this video, you'll never look at the ocean the same way again. Today we will talk about little-known ocean facts that will make you reconsider swimming. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. March 2023. A deep-sea exploration team off the coast of Japan captures something unnatural. Their cameras show a creature moving at depths where nothing should survive. Not a whale, not a squid. Something else. The footage was immediately classified, but what they saw confirms what marine biologists have feared for decades. The ocean's silent killer. Underwater waterfalls. Beneath the crystal-clear waters of Mauritius lies one of nature's most terrifying phenomena. An underwater waterfall so powerful it could swallow a skyscraper. Here's what makes it deadly. The science behind the ocean's underwater waterfall illusion. What appears to be an underwater waterfall off Mauritius is actually one of nature's most powerful submarine sediment flows. A phenomenon so extreme, it defies normal ocean behavior. Unlike surface waterfalls, this is a density current, where cold, dense water sinks beneath warmer layers. The falling effect comes from sand silt being dragged over the Mauritius-Seychelles Ridge. Operates at deadly depths. Vertical drop. 3,500 meters, deeper than the Titanic wreck. Pressure at base. 5,000 pounds per square inch would crush a nuclear sub. Current speed. Surface, 2 knots, normal current. Shelf edge, 8 knots. Sudden acceleration. Plunge zone, 12-knot vortexes. Creates the drain effect. Creates real dangers. The shark vortex effect. 2018 study tagged 12 bull sharks caught in the current. 3 were dragged to 1,200 meters before escaping, beyond normal diving limits. Unexplained disappearances. 4 research drones lost since 2018. 2015 to 2021 incident where a 3-ton camera rig was pulled downward at 15-degree angle. Against its thrusters. Why scientists are worried. The flow is accelerating. Now 15% faster than 2000 measurements. New sonar shows. Cracks forming. Along the ridge. Possible connection to climate change. Altering ocean density layers. This isn't just an illusion. It's a ticking time bomb of geological forces we barely understand. And it's getting stronger every year. Would you like me to connect this to climate change impacts or potential tsunami risks in the region? The unexplained disappearances. In 2015, 3 experienced divers vanished near the site. Search teams found their equipment intact at 200 meters, but no bodies. Local fishermen report unnatural whirlpools appearing without warning. Scientists claim it's just an unusual current pattern. But why do depth sensors malfunction every time they get close? The Mariana Trench's darkest secret. The Challenger. Deep is the ocean's deepest point. But what we've found there makes no sense. The unexplained phenomena. 1. The 2012 incident. James Cameron's submersible recorded a 12-meter-long shadow moving at impossible speeds. Sonar showed the object descended from 8,000 meters to 10,000 meters in 365 seconds, 42 seconds too. The mysterious sounds. Hydrophones regularly pick up metallic clanging at 2:17 a.m. local time. The sounds match no known geological or biological source. 3. The missing equipment. 17 deep-sea probes have vanished without trace since 2003. The last transmission from one read, "Contact, not fish, not sub, returning to surfa." Transmission cuts abruptly. Whale graveyards, where life meets death. When a 50-ton whale dies, its body becomes the centerpiece of a nightmare ecosystem. The stages of decomposition. 1. The scavenger phase, 0 to 6 months. 6-gill sharks rip chunks of flesh the size of car doors. Giant isopods, think underwater cockroaches, burrow into the corpse. 2. The bone phase, 2 to 5 years. Zombie worms, Osidax, secrete acid to dissolve bones. Their feathery gills pulse with a bioluminescent glow. 3. The sulfur phase, 10+ years. Bacteria create toxic hydrogen sulfide clouds. New species found nowhere else on Earth emerge from the darkness. In 2021, researchers discovered something disturbing. The bones were moving. Not from currents. Something was dragging them into the abyss. The jacuzzi of despair. Nature's death pool. 1,000 meters below the Gulf of Mexico lies a lake that kills anything that touches it. The 2018 near disaster. An ROV, remotely operated vehicle, accidentally breached the pool's membrane. The entire research ship lost power for 17 minutes. Cameras showed shadowy shapes moving in the disturbed brine. Scientists can't explain why it's expanding, or what might happen if it reaches the surface. Why we know nothing. Here's the terrifying truth about our oceans. By the numbers, 95% remains completely unexplored. We discover 2,000+ new marine species annually. Military sonar detects unidentified objects weekly. The unexplained events. Deep ocean mysteries. The Baltic Sea anomaly, 2011. Discovered by Swedish oceanographers at 90 meters depth between Sweden and Finland. 60 meters diameter circular structure. With unusual geometric features resembling a crashed UFO with apparent landing struts. A natural glacial formation, though none match its perfect symmetry. Electronic disturbances. Sonar goes haywire within 200 meters radius. Cameras malfunction when pointed directly at it. Divers report equipment failures and tingling skin near sight. Theories range from secret Nazi submarine base, disproven. Ancient megalithic structure, no proof. Most disturbing, possible extraterrestrial origin. The Bloop, 1997. Recorded by no AA hydrophones. 3,000 miles apart. Sound characteristics. Ultra-low frequency. Matches organic sources. Lasted 7 minutes. Loud enough to be heard from 5,000 kilometers away. Initial explanation. Iceberg fracturing. Problem. The sound's waveform matched biological sources. Bigger problem. No known animal is large enough to make that sound. Possible sources. A creature 3 times larger than blue whale. Unknown geological phenomenon. Or something else entirely. The Yonaguni Monument, discovered 1986. Massive underwater structures off Japan's Ryukyu Islands. 5-story stepped pyramid with 90-degree angles. Roads and what appear to be carved staircases. Strange circular holes, possible mooring points. The debate. Geologists claim. Natural sandstone formations. Marine archaeologists counter. Tool marks found on surfaces. Structures align with solstices. Similar to known ancient megaliths. Most chilling detail. Carbon dating suggests structures were above water 10,000 years ago. Predates all known human civilizations capable of such construction. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.